Hello everyone, welcome back to another Golden Insights. So happy to bring you back for hopefully one more after this, near our final check-in for the Giant Pumpkin Contest. It's been going fantastic, having great results. Maybe not record-setting, but for me, first time growing a pumpkin, I'm pretty pleased. We've got about a week and a half left before our final weigh-in. I'm gonna give them one more blast of the Imperial Boost and hope for the very best. One thing that's crucial about growing a giant pumpkin, as I've learned, is you need a lot of calcium, a lot of potassium, and a lot of phosphorus. The Imperial Boost is a perfect product for that. 0, 15, 11 with about 17% calcium. It's checking all of the boxes, giving everything the plant needs to produce vigorous growth, very hard, stable cells, and strengthening the stems to support this giant pumpkin. So I'd love to hear any tips and tricks people have at home for how they're doing giant pumpkins. One thing we employed here was we took the growth tip and planted it into a separate pot, this 200-gallon pot, and we did that on both sides to give a separate root base and a place for us to put all this extra food in so the plant can access it easily. What are your tips and tricks?